Another exciting week, another bullish week has come to an end for gold, where we have seen gold hitting the records at 29.40. And it was interesting to watch the drop it has shown towards the last trading session and closing the week at 28.82. Can we say that now is the time for gold to reverse? See, I have been mentioning this since long that the prices, the higher it goes, the more fragile it is going to be. And we have seen one such example just in the one trading session yesterday. Now, still, I will say it is very early to conclude that it is exhausting and the highs are done. Very, very early to conclude. Looking at the move, because see, I have been expecting this since last couple of weeks, but this is not happening, and the prices are consistently kept elevated. Now, can we expect another round of rise here? Are we looking at 3,000 levels? Are we looking at gold to hit the top of the channel towards 3,000, or it is going to reverse in the coming week? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is a weekly review, and this is the channel which gives you two updates every day for gold. First with the Asia session, next with the US session, and with precise levels where you can take a trade with profit, trade with confidence. Thus, subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's towards the end of the update, I'll be sharing the trading levels. So do watch this. On the weekly chart, see this is the seventh straight weekly gain after a reversal confirmation. You can see this seven straight bullish candles. Also look at the Bollinger Bands. It is putting pressure on the bands to expand, and the prices which has taken the support from the 20 period moving average are now trading with the divergence from the 20 period moving average, which is a good sign for the bulls. So only worry point here is that the prices were outside Bollinger Bands. Second point is we have seen a pull which suggests that the bulls are not very much interested in keeping the prices elevated. Third is the body size is less than half of the complete move, and now this suggests that 2860, 2820, if these two levels are taken any point of time in the coming week, again I am highlighting this 2860, 2820, any point of time, if these two levels are taken, you can confirm that now the bears are back. Only if it trades below 2820, we can confirm that the next few weeks are going to be bearish in nature, where prices may try to move towards the zone somewhere around 27, 40, 50. But this is pretty early to right now it is very much bullish, delivering higher lows, higher highs, and look at the lows of this channel towards 2860. Very, very important for it to break below this. That is the first critical level for gold. Also notice the rise, the retracement, the rise, and it could try to move like this. Possibility exists that it may come down towards the zone before reversing. Let's expect this. If you look at the stochastic, this is overbought, and yes, whenever it gets into overbought zone, though it can stretch the rise, but right now it is starting to look downwards. Not a good sign for the bulls. Look at the MACD. This is suggestive of further bullishness. If you look at the MACD on the weekly chart, see it is trading with divergence and just two candles away. This is one sign, this is one indicator which is still supportive of a rise, despite it is already staying at an elevated level. See, this was trading with divergence, it is crossed over, and already it is trading at an elevated level. Look at the left side, it is white blank here, and thus the possibility of a reversal on the downside exists strong. However, since after the crossover it is just couple of candles away, and hence in the coming week it is very early to conclude that it is going to drop. Possibility exists strong that it can, but right now this sign is not supportive of such a drop. If you look at the RSI, this is back to overbought levels. Coming to the day, look at the daily charts here. See this rise, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, and it is retracing where it is heading towards the top of the channel, where the top of the channel towards 3000 levels. But what's happening here, interestingly, you can see this is extreme bullishness trading with divergence. What has happened? See, series of bullish candles were seen, and then one red candle has appeared, and this is a strong red candle. Now for the coming week, it is very, very important for gold to trade first below 2860, then 2840, and then 28. If gold trades below these three levels, we can wait for a greater price correction here. Right now, I will say this could be the beginning of the reversal. This could be the first red candle. If you divide this into two, now see this this is almost symmetrical here. Higher lows are seen. Just let it break on the downside below 2860 and you can expect more bearishness ahead. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD, now look at MACD, strong rise is seen and it is willing to converge or crossover from here, and this could hint the beginning of the reversal. Look what has happened here may get replicated here as well. RSI coming out of the overbought zone, and see, it has taken time for it to hit this overbought zone and it appears it is going to deliver a vertical dip here. Let's wait for this to happen. Coming to the on the monthly charts, honestly there is no sign of reversal, and you can notice since the beginning of 2024, since 2000 levels, already gold has seen a 50% appreciation in just 1 year. Rise which is not sustainable, that is what we can expect. But yes, these are markets, anything and everything is possible. It is trading in this bullish channel. See this, the highs of the channel are now at 3000 levels here. The highs of the channel are at 3000, which makes it a greater resistance zone, and if it falls to break or if it falls to move towards that and tries to reverse, certainly we can say this is the beginning of the reversal here, where the next forthcoming months are going to remain critical. Do watch the annual review where we have expected the possibilities for the year 2025. Now see what's happening here. After a couple of retracement, we have seen a one massively bullish candle, and this is the second one in making. The point to note here is, see, 50% of this complete accounts to almost $100 of move, and see this might try to confine itself within this zone. Even if it is bullish, possibly the move for the month is done, and I do not see it breaking beyond 29 40 43 zone again. It can try to consolidate around this zone. Now on the downside, as I said, 2820 is one level which is going to remain critical, because once it breaks below 2820, we can expect a greater dip towards 2780 2740 levels. Till 2820 levels, we should not be treating this as bearish. And remember, it is long due for gold to correct. It is not showing any signs here, and once it starts to dip, it can take a massive reversal here. Stochastic rising, the MACD is already at an extreme. MACD is already at extremely elevated levels here. Calls for it to start correcting. Look at this, the waves here. And the third wave, whenever it begins, maybe this month, next month, or in the next forthcoming months, yes, this could begin the reversal process. RSI definitely staying overbought. On the 4-hour charts, the last one to look at, see, look at the moves here. Rise, retracement, retracement. Hitting the highs, it has now come towards 50 period moving average. And if you look at the move since the rise has started, since the beginning of year 2025, you can find out 50 period moving average so far at best, in the worst case, have provided it a very strong. Look at this double top levels, and I have discussed this in my last daily review that this could be a double top, and that is what has happened. It has come towards now the support zone, and at this zone 2880, you should watch out for below that 2860. If these two levels are taken, we can look forward to the next move towards 2840 2820 levels, which are going to remain the next strongest support here on the downside. Remember, a stronger rise, a vertical fall here is possible. Stochastic dropping to oversold zone. MACD trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards. The RSI has dropped as well. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy. First, let's talk about the levels to buy. I will only recommend you to buy if you see it now staying above 2891, where you can expect 2904 first target zone, 2912 the next, and then 2924 levels. If this is taken, then you can say that the bulls are back. You can look forward to 2932, 2940, and this time staying above 2940. Stay bullish for 2952, 2965. And towards the moon, actually on the upside, it is now aspiring to hit 3000 levels. If it stays now above 2950, the chances are very high that we are looking at close to 3000 levels very soon. But remember, this is a bigger milestone for gold to break past by, and hence it is going to be the most painful milestone for it to break past by as well. It is going to be really, really difficult for gold to break this. On the down, I will recommend a selling entry at 28.72. Expect 28.6460, the first most critical number on the downside. 28.5250, the second one, and then 28.38. If these three levels are taken, you can expect that the next destination for gold is directly going to be 28.24, and then below this 28.10. If this is taken, then chances will be high that we are looking forward to 27.85 and then towards 27.50, and below this we are looking forward to a greater correction. Right now it is pretty early to conclude that the prices are turning bearish, but yes, we can say, looking at the move what we had seen on the last trading session and the profit booking which we had seen in the last trading session, that a possibility of a reversal has increased with that move, and a drop below 28.20 will confirm this reversal process. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.